I'm going to share with you the secret for how you can save 50% on any AWS certification that you take. I've personally used this trick to save almost $1,000 in AWS certification tests so far. It's super simple, but I just don't see a lot of people leveraging it or talking about it. So let me show you how. Okay, so if you go to the AWS certification page, you'll notice that one of the benefits of being AWS certified is access to a 50% discount voucher to apply towards a recertification or any other exam. How does that manifest? The way this actually would work is AWS has basically 3 pricing tiers on their different certifications based on the experience level. The foundational certification is $100. The associates are $150 list price, and then the professional certs are $300 list price. So if you take the AWS Cloud Foundational certification, the Cloud Practitioner cert, and even if you pay list for $100, you can find other ways to get discounts, but let's say you're busy and you just want to pay list price $100 for this cert. Every cert you take after that, you can leverage that 50% voucher. So you could pay $100 for this, but then when you take your Solutions Architect Associate, if you get that 50% discount voucher, you can pay $75 for that. And then the list price on the professional and specialty certs are $300, but whenever you take one of those, you could be paying $150. So you could be saving $150 per cert. And so when I think about this, it actually makes the cost of AWS certification seem much more cost effective to me, now that I realize that this is just something that once you get certified, you can keep leveraging this benefit. All right, so how do you redeem this? First, you need to go to the AWS certification website. You can access that by going to aws.training/certification. You need to log in to your account, all right? The portal looks like it was actually recently updated, which is cool. It's a little easier to navigate, in my opinion. And you just simply go to benefits, okay? And for me, you can see all of these vouchers, 50% off your discount code, 50% off your discount code. And the expiration date on these vouchers is aligned with the expiration date of the certification that I took. So basically, you take a certification, and for the next 3 years, you have access to a 50% discount voucher to be applied to any other certification, right? So once you get in the AWS certification program, which you have your first cert, everything should be half off. You should never, ever be paying list price for a future certification for as long as this benefit is available to AWS certified people. So when you claim this benefit, you're going to get a voucher code that then when you go schedule this exam via Pearson VUE or the exam vendor, you just paste this code in during checkout at the payment time, and you're going to see that 50% discount applied to your certification. I just did this with the AWS Security Specialty Certification. Let me see, maybe I can show that actually. In fact, I just used this a couple of days ago to schedule the AWS Certified Security Specialty exam. And just to show you what I'm talking about, you can see the list price is $300, but then I was able to use my discount code that I get as a benefit of being certified and passing a previous certification exam. So I really only paid $150 for what is a $300 exam. And you should never pay $300 for an AWS exam because of this trick that I just showed you. For as long as this benefit's available to AWS certified folks, you should always be using it. Save that money. So what are you going to do with that extra money that you save? In my opinion, anybody taking any AWS certifications should really consider these 2 resources. The first one I'm going to recommend to you is Tutorials Dojo. I have a link in the description. I love this program. Every single time I take a certification, I buy the practice exams from this website, okay? They're top notch as long as they're available for the cert I'm doing. I buy these practice exams, usually like a couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks before I take the exam. Use my affiliate link, but these are I use these are just the best resource for practice exams, in my opinion. I would highly suggest using this if you're going to go through this AWS certification journey, or if you're already on that journey. Links in the description. And then the AWS Skill Builder website has really improved over time, and I find the practice exams available here and some of the exam prep courses available on Skill Builder to be pretty helpful. There is a free tier of this, and then there's a subscription, and there's also a 7-day free trial. So maybe sign up for the free trial before you sit your next exam to see if some of the practice tests and exam prep resources help you, and then see if it's worth paying $25 or $29 a month subsequently. But anyway, there's some great resources here on Skill Builder. Again, link is in the description. I hope this helped you save a little money. If this helped you save some money, let me know in the comments. If you didn't know about this, let me know. I naively, just nobody told me I could be saving half on every single certification until I got like my second or third certification. And now I'm like, oh my God, this is like basically all AWS certifications actually cost half the list price, because most people taking an advanced certification will have already taken the lower level practitioner or associate level cert, unlocking access to that 50% off voucher. So I don't know. I'm just excited about this, you all, because I'm like, holy cow, like this is a great way to save money that I don't think everybody knows about right now. So there you go. Save thousands of dollars over the course of your AWS career. Seems like a pretty good bet. And use my affiliate links for Tutorial Dojo or Skill Builder if you decide to leverage those resources in your AWS journey. Peace.